Why do some people throw rubbish on the street?
Probably because they don't really care. Some people just don't like carrying rubbish with them, so they unconsciously throw it away anywhere.
What do you do with garbage when you are on the street?
I just put it in my bag until I get to see a rubbish bin. I never throw rubbish away on the street, and I hate others doing that too, so I just carry it with me until I find a place to throw it away.
How do you feel when you see people throw garbage on the street?
It's one of the things that I never want to see, so I feel really irritated. Sometimes I see someone who does it, then I pick it up and throw it away and get really annoyed. When I was attending secondary school, I learned to play field hockey. I think it was like 15 years ago, just after I started studying in England. At my school, all students had to learn field hockey mandatorily, so I learned it in PE lessons for winter semester. Basically, as it was included in the school curriculum, I mainly learnt it in PE lessons. All my classmates and I played it together, and my friends and PE teachers explained some rules for me. After I managed to learn all the rules, I joined the school hockey team, so I played it tons of times. It is the most fascinating sport that I've ever learnt. It wasn't like other sports that I've experienced. It's like golf, but all the players must run and score in the net. I really enjoyed every game and found it really interesting. Also, it requires lots of teamwork. I think I could improve such skill after I learned how to play this sport. All my friends and I played enthusiastically and got closer together whenever we finished the games. It still remains as good memories of my life, so I still like field hockey and watching the games when there's a match on TV.
What are the benefits of playing sports?
It's definitely good for people's health. It helps enhance health conditions, make them stay fit, and people can feel a sense of achievement after they manage to play sports that they wanted to. Also, if it's a team sport, they can develop their teamwork skills.
What's the difference between playing sports on your own and playing sports in a group?
Well, the biggest difference would be teamwork. If it's a team sport such as football or rugby, all the players have to cooperate to achieve their goals. But when it comes to individual sports, they focus only on their own achievement, not others.
Do children need to exercise?
Definitely, in order to grow taller and stronger, they need to exercise. Of course, they don't need to take vigorous exercise, but some stretching or attending classes like swimming would be really helpful for them.
What sports involve teamwork?
I think all team sports do. Ones like football, basketball, and lots of others need team members to cooperate to win the game, and every team player must be very supportive to each other.